My favorite hair tool is a blow dryer. And I guess if I had to have one hair tool, I think I could live with a blow dryer even without any brushes and figure out a way to use my fingers to still get a style that I like on a regular basis. If I had to have one and I wanted multiple brushes, then using the Dyson Airwrap would cover all those bases. I just love a blowout more than anything, more than curls, more than a flat iron, like straight look. If I had to choose one style, it would be a blowout, which is so many different looks in one, really. You can make a blowout so many different things. So a blow dryer is my #1 tool, I think.